Running YouTube ads for lead generation is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you don't already have one, sign up for a Google Ads account at ads.google.com. Ensure that your YouTube channel is linked to your Google Ads account. You can link your YouTube channel by following the instructions provided in the Google Ads interface. Once logged into Google Ads, click on the plus campaign button to create a new campaign. Then select video as the campaign type. Select a campaign goal that aligns with your objectives for lead generation. For example, you might choose leads or website traffic. Configure your campaign settings, including the campaign name, budget, bidding strategy, start and end dates, and target audience demographics. Consider targeting users based on interests, demographics, keywords, and other relevant factors to reach your ideal audience for lead generation. Within the campaign, create a new ad group where you will set up YouTube ad targeting and settings. Specify the maximum cost per view bid for your ads. Define your target audience by selecting demographics, interests, keywords, placements, and other targeting options. Consider targeting users who are likely to be interested in your offer and are in the market for your product or service. Create a compelling video ad that focuses on the benefits of your offer and encourages viewers to take action. Clearly communicate the value proposition of your offer and include a strong call to action or CTA prompting viewers to take the desired action, such as filling out a form or visiting your website. Next, consider adding a lead form extension to your video ad, allowing viewers to submit their contact information directly within the ad without leaving YouTube. This can help streamline the lead generation process and capture leads more effectively. Upload your video ad to your YouTube channel. Ensure that your video title, description, and tags are optimized for relevant keywords and search terms. Set up conversion tracking in Google Ads to track leads generated from your YouTube ads. This will help you measure the effectiveness of your campaign and optimize for better results. Review your campaign settings, targeting options, and ad creative to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you're satisfied, click the Launch Campaign or Save and Continue button to launch your YouTube ad campaign. Regularly monitor the performance of your YouTube ad campaign in the Google Ads dashboard. Analyze metrics such as views, click-through rate, conversions, and cost per lead or CPL to evaluate the effectiveness of your ads. Optimize your campaign by adjusting targeting, bids, ad creative, and other settings based on performance data.